For Margdarshak, the cost to client has been more critical than business targets. It is because of this single-minded focus that Margdarshak has constantly reduced its interest rates from 34% in 2008 to 31% in 2009, 29% in 2010, and is targeting to bring it down to 24% in 2011. By 2013, Margdarshak is aiming to lowering the interest rates down to 18% to 19%. The operating efficiencies have increased from 40% in 2008 to 107% in 2009, 117% in 2010, and is projected to be maintained at 125% to 130% from 2011 onwards. Just like its outreach, Margdarshak has also built its institutional strength brick by brick. It is led by a diverse set of board of directors consisting of people who have long and distinguished careers in institutions like Reserve Bank of India, Indian Institute of Management, SIDBI, EDII, etc. Following the highest set of corporate governance practices, the company has 4 independent directors guiding the management on areas of strategic importance. The independent directors go beyond the brief of guidance by being involved in the internal audit, staff training and capacity building, new product development and business planning.
When I and Rahul used to visit rural India in connection with our work in late 90s and early 2000, we can see in the eyes of the people that there is a sign of being marginalized, feeling of being left out, being sidelined by the aggressive urban India, which is growing at a very fast rate, is leaving this rural India far, far behind. This feeling of despair and helplessness tells you that to survive, they need to be in equal footings. Those were the eyes that led us to dream about creating an organization which would not disable someone by charities, but make them strong enough to fight it out on their own.
I have been associated with Margdarshak since its inception. All microfinance institutions have women as clients, but we were determined to bring in a stronger gender focus which would not only improve women's condition but also strengthen their position within their families and their communities. I am very proud to say that the entire board of Margdarshak is gender sensitive, and every board meeting is an opportunity used well to introduce a new element in our plans to better target women's needs. Having started on a very small scale, today Margdarshak is one of the leading microfinance institutions in Uttar Pradesh. And with the hearts in the right place, I'm sure we'll be able to play a larger, more positive role in alleviating poverty in the areas we work. I would count our young and motivated team working hard in the field as one of our assets. I'm very happy with the progress we have made over the last few years, and I look forward to reaching out to the very last woman in need.
I first heard about the institution Margdarshak in the year 2008 when my Deputy Governor Mrs. Thorat was visiting Lucknow, and we were searching for good microfinance institutions which are successful and working as per principles laid down or accepted for them. Later on, my friend Mr. Prasad, who was director on the board and who had also retired as CGM from Reserve Bank of India, and he made me an offer that post-retirement I can be associated with this institution, as my interest too was with the rural sector development. I kept this offer pending till I retired, and later on I met Rahul, the young CEO of Margdarshak, who impressed me with his zeal and his plans for sustainable development of the poor people in the state. I got interested and got associated with it, and I have got full faith that it will be doing the best for the poor people of the state. And I am really proud to be associated with this institution right now and wish it well in future.
The organization is as good as its people, believes Margdarshak. In an age where compensation drives people, Margdarshak binds its people by its values of humility, enterprise, relationship and professionalism. It has provided career options to many youth and women.
मेरा नाम ब्रह्मदेव पाठक है। मेरे साथ 4 बच्चे व पत्नी बाराबंकी में रहते हैं। मेरी शैक्षिक योग्यता इंटर है। मैं नमकीन उद्योग के साथ साथ एनजीओ में काम करता था। वर्ष 2000 में मैंने मार्गदर्शक कंपनी ज्वाइन की। कंपनी ने मुझे टीसीओ पद पर कार्य करने हेतु बाराबंकी शाखा पर भेज दिया। आज तक लगभग 20 नए ग्रुप बनाया। इस समय 320 क्लाइंट व 19 लाख के पोर्टफोलियो देख रहा हूँ। मैं कंपनी का आभारी हूँ क्योंकि पहले मैं साइकिल से अपना कार्य करता था जिसमें मुझे परेशानी होती थी, लेकिन कंपनी ने मुझे अपना समझा कि मुझे 15,000 का ऋण बाइक खरीदने हेतु दिया और अब मैं उसी से अपना कार्य और सफलतापूर्वक कर रहा हूँ। पुनः कंपनी का बहुत आभारी हूँ क्योंकि मेरी बेटी की शादी थी, पैसा पास नहीं था। कंपनी ने उस हालत में मेरी मदद की, ऋण प्रदान किया जिससे शादी का कार्य पूर्ण हुआ। मैं कंपनी का जीवन भर आभारी रहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
मेरा नाम मधु गुप्ता है। मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं। मेरी शैक्षिक योग्यता इंटर है। मैं मार्गदर्शक के जेटीसीओ के पद पर कार्य करती हूँ। मार्गदर्शक में काम करने के पहले मैं एक हाउसवाइफ थी। बाहर की दुनिया से बिल्कुल अनजान थी। सारा का सारा समय बच्चों में व घर के कामकाज में बीत जाता था। अचानक मेरे पति का देहांत हो जाने के कारण मेरे ऊपर घर की सारी जिम्मेदारियाँ आ गई। मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूँ। फिर मैंने मार्गदर्शक ज्वाइन किया। मुझे मार्गदर्शक में काम करते 11 महीने हो चुके हैं। इन 11 महीनों में मैंने 15 नए ग्रुप बनाए और 34 मीटिंग इस समय कर रही हूँ और 14 लाख का पोर्टफोलियो तथा हर महीने में 1 लाख का डिसबर्समेंट कर रही हूँ। मेरे परिवार में हम और हमारे 3 बच्चे हैं। मेरे काम में मेरे बच्चों का भी बहुत सहयोग मिला है। मेरे बच्चे अभी ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं हैं। सबसे बड़ा लड़का 12 वर्ष का है। मार्गदर्शक कंपनी में कार्य करने से मेरे जीवन को नई राह मिल गई है तथा अपने बच्चों का पालन पोषण कर रही हूँ। इस कारण मैं मार्गदर्शक कंपनी की बहुत आभारी हूँ व रहूँगी।
The Margdarshak team is today 150 strong, consisting of professionals carrying 7 to 15 years of experience in institutions like SIDBI, ICICI, EDII, etc. We are going to be Margdarshak in true spirits and sense, providing and enabling access to opportunities of economic growth is our mission, and that is exactly what we are going to do.
One lifetime is not enough for helping all Sabiras of this world, and that's why we are Margdarshak, showing others the way to a more holistic microfinance. We envision a poverty-free community.
Are these shades of twinkling optimism? Not in our eyes. Join us in our yatra of one client, one group, one initiative, and one community at a time.